So let's see, we know camel,
Mango.
buffalo,
Turtle.
a shark,
Shark.
a monkey,
Comic.
monkey.
Rock.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ah.
And
How about octopus?
up there.
Very good. And what else did we see? Dolphin.
Dragon.
Very good. Frog.
Frog.
What does a frog say?
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit, rabbit.
It is
What about horse?
horse.
What does a horse say? What about pig?
Big.
What does a pig say?
Big.
What does a pig say? Good job.